Everyone says El Salvador is unsafe, so we went to have a look. Ah shit, wrong clips. Let's start this from the beginning. You a bit hungover today?
No words can be spoken.
The man, the myth, the legend.
Just photos, just
The crazy beatboxers over there.
Be careful what you do. Don't go around like a young girl's heart.
what was I saying about balls and tits again? So glad you have that on video.
Case.
I could.
Oh my God, El Salvador!
It all starts in Santa Ana. It's about an hour and a half from the capital, San Salvador. We're gonna head to the Santa Ana volcano. There's really nice views and a marvelous water crater smack bang in the middle. The whole way up was so foggy, you couldn't even see in front of your face. It was a bit disappointing, but the hike was really nice. Upon reaching the top of this sulphurous marble, we met an American guy. He actually took this photo. He told us about a festival happening that evening called Bolas de Fuego, or Balls of Fire in English.
Oh, clues.
So can we not drive in?
Go have a swim.
We scurried back to the hostel and organised our plan of attack. We managed to convince the Uber driver to come with us for an evening of fiery fun. He then explained the genesis of the event. Each year on the 31st of August, residents of a small Salvadorian town, Nejapa, get dressed up with ghoulish masks, soak their clothes and a pair of gardening gloves in water, and take to the streets in two teams for the Flamin' Showdown. The festival commemorates a volcanic eruption which happened many moons ago in 1658, which according to legend was actually a battle between the local patron saint, Saint Geronimo, and the devil. As a tribute to this divine clash between good and evil, Nejapa becomes a battleground for two warring groups who marinate balls of cloth in kerosene, light them on fire, and hurl them at each other while the crowd cheers them on. There's no set rules within the chaos, but it all seems to work. I did see multiple people in the crowd getting hit from stray fireballs, so you have to keep your eyes out. No team wins, but they do have a big celebration afterwards. It would be rude not to join. This was definitely the most crazy festival I've ever been to. Yes, there were elements of danger, but there was always medical staff waiting to attend any mishaps. All in all, El Salvador was the country I felt the most safest in within Central America. The current president has cleaned up a lot of gangs plaguing the country, and there is a constant military presence. The people are genuinely excited to see tourists, they're very welcoming, and they'll help you with any directions, recommendations, etc. If you're thinking about going to El Salvador this year, I wouldn't miss it. Don't skip El Salvador.